Hello, welcome back to Truly Restored TV. So Truly Restored came to life because there are so many people in the world who have experienced a setback as adults. They've made a really big mistake, or maybe they didn't even make the mistake when they were adults. They made it when they were youth and they spent 10 years into adulthood trying to recover from that mistake. And so I definitely did have something that I went through, and I also was able to experience restoration. I think other people have experienced it as well. So one of the things that I do to create the channel, one of the goals is to rebuild lives. Rebuild, restore people's lives. And that could be families or that could be individuals. I really feel compelled to talk about families. So in terms of restoration, when you think about a family, there's been different cultures who have experienced separation of family units. And if you look at the Holocaust, or you look at slavery, or any other cultural, historical situation where families were separated, I believe it trickled down into our present day social ills. So one of the things that I really enjoy looking at is how a parent who's usually multi-stressed can become aware and curious of their child's emotional health. What's going on with the child emotionally? So we know these children these days, some of them have a mental health diagnosis, some of them don't, but some of them have behavior issues either at school or at home or both. And the belief in academia, in college settings, and also in psychology fields is that there's something going on with the child emotionally that people are missing. Caregivers are missing it, parents are missing it, teachers are too busy to address it, and et cetera, et cetera. And what happens to these untreated adults, these untreated children who become adults, is that they may end up in prison systems or mental health institutions as a result of their emotional health not being addressed. So I really do believe that that's one of the areas where we will be talking about as the channel moves forward. I won't just talk about the children, I also talk about the parents. I know that I was a multi-stress parent, and in doing this work, I have certainly learned how I could have been a stronger parent, a more attentive parent, at the end of the day, a better parent. I did what I could based on what I knew, but I want to take what I know now and share it with you. So please continue to watch the channel and have a good day. And don't forget to pray for your family and your enemies too. All right, God bless. Bye-bye.